Alright. So another opening one, yeah? Another similar GoPro style to this one. This one 4K, and this one says it's 4K but it's not. Right. What I've got here is a Surfola. There's the remotes. I've got it. I've already got it now. You've got your video with the grey one, taking photos, the red one. I've got a new wrist, it's quite comfortable as well because I've had it on. And as always, it comes in the waterproof casing, underwater. When it's underwater, that won't work, so that's why you have to use your buttons on the top. And there's the camera itself. Similar to GoPro, a lot similar I reckon. Up to 128k gigabyte card. You've got your charging port to the HDMI. Your up down buttons are also your zoom buttons, which is 8x zoom. It's 4K Ultra. It films in 4K 2.7 and 1080p. As it goes down to about 480 as well. Also got battery charger on the side. You get two batteries with it. I've got one inside it, but the other one is just around there behind me. In accessories, you get a dust cover for the back of it. So when you change that, you also get your idiot guide, but it's not in there. It's behind me at the moment. Casing, so you can use for a stand like this. Casing for connector for bike. Stand so you can stick it up on your wall or somewhere like that. That is either them cases so you can hold it up like that, or extend it a bit onto these. Another thing, if you've got an old selfie stick, they usually don't come with these. And when you try and put something like this on, it doesn't go all the way down. So it just spins round all the time. You can't make it stop. And these things, most of them come with this. You put that in between, and then you can make it stop and then angle it to what angle you want, if you want it on your selfie stick or not. So it takes off half of the screw end, and then it screws to that, so you can angle it how you angle or want, or if you want it put into that, yeah. Just have to adjust this to make it fit so it's nice and snug. With these ones you don't need it because it's already small enough. So we've got here loads of attachments and loads of these screw attachments. I will show you. We'll set it up on this and use it. Make sure the top goes in the right place of these. Open it up a little bit, slide it in. See, that's where they usually are, them things. So you can't keep piling these on top, so Yeah, there is my actual bit of it in here. There it is. That one. I get it right first time, hopefully. Use a screw. Perfect. Also perfect. With this though, this one you can actually press the button in, bend it down so your arms reach or whatever you want, or you can open it up and stand it whatever you want, like that. If you're wondering now what this is, I've got my fan blowing behind me, so it might affect the sound of it. What else is there? I think that's about it. Actually, showed you everything. Yeah, I will also leave the link on this one down below. I'll also put it in the comments as well because nobody goes to the on the link underneath, so I'll put it on the in the comments and the section underneath. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you liked it, keep watching. Have a look at it yourself if you want. Oh, that's got 8 times zoom. That's what I forgot. That other one is only 4 times zoom, and this one I can't remember. I can't figure out the zoom on it. So there you have it. 8 times zoom, 4K ultra, good memory, storage, good sturdy camera. Now we'll show you another time, hopefully next week, when it starts to rain and the thunder. I'm going to take it outside and test it with this. See you all later.